API rate limiting constantly. And while front-end devs worry about button colors, you're stuck making sure hackers can't inject SQL into your login form. With ransomware, supply chain attacks, and malicious packages sneaking into open source libraries, it sometimes feels like
Yeah, that's why you have to like protect like your servers and like make sure that your code like and that's one thing with AI as well to like always ensure that whenever you're asking it to like build websites for you, make sure that you have like you tell it that yo add these security checks and whatever to my website so that things like this doesn't occur, right? So yeah, like bro, you don't want to have like you don't want your data to be like what happened to this T app. I believe that happened a couple of months ago. Yeah, man. Like, bro, make sure your backend is secure, man. Like your data, all those stuff, man. Make sure that it's secure because you don't want to end up like T app, and we all know how that went down. So,
chain attacks and malicious
well, and if you didn't know, like research it.
packages sneaking into open source libraries, it sometimes feels like you're defending a castle with a wooden sword. The day-to-day reality is meetings, Jira tickets, and incident reports
What
mixed
the
with
hell is
bursts of
this
deep
shorty
problem
doing?
solving. One moment you're designing a new feature to handle thousands of requests per second, and the next you're spending 4 hours chasing down a bug caused by a missing letter in a config file. It's equal parts exciting and frustrating. But here's the thing, back-end devs are the reason the internet doesn't collapse. When you order food,
Facts.
stream a movie, or send money across the globe, it's back-end code that makes it all work. Nobody notices when it runs perfectly, but everyone notices when it breaks, and that's kind of the job really. You're invisible until disaster strikes. And if you still want to become a back-end dev after hearing me rant for 3 minutes straight, you should try.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We're not falling for the ad, buddy. Yeah. But for real though. Yeah. Like he is right though. Like when you like imagine that I'll give two examples, right? Because they had this job opportunity, right? That I had to sign up for, and like I had to fill out this form, and it was online, right? And like when I was going through this form, it's like, bro, I just for some reason like I'm weird now. Like I every time I go on a website, I just click on the console to like see if there's any errors in it. Like yeah, I just be weird like that. And like when I see the res, I'll be like, bro, who is building these sites, bro? Right? And then it's like when I went to fill out the information in the form, it's like only certain data or not even all the data is saving. So I was like, bro, who is the person that is building this? Because it's like, bro, like I'm trying to enter information for the job opportunity and say I can't enter information because the person who built this backend, like my brother, what are you doing? So I kind of like look at it as a job opportunity in itself because I was like, bro, I can hit up this company and be like, yo, I can fix this backend problem, this console problem that you're having, right? So and then the second part where you mentioned about when it works, no one notices. It's simple as like when you order like Uber Eats or you order a product from Amazon or whatever you may do, right? You clearly see that it works. So and you don't like complain or whatever. But hey man, shout out to the developers out there, man, because we are very important people to society and we need more recognition. So shout out to you, man. But let's get into the second video where we talk about should you become front and web sorry front end web